And in the last 30 days, the Solana protocol's fees have increased by 103%, according to AMBCrypto's assessment of token terminals dashboard. For instance, the fees recorded on 22nd November were $131,100. A few days before that, 14th of November in particular, Solana's total fees were $99,724. Like Ethereum, Solana fees are set by the network, and it depends on congestion and historical throughput. About 50% of each transaction fee is burned, while the rest goes for systems to the validators processing the transactions. Despite having cheaper transaction fees compared to Ethereum, the hike in the amount means that there has been a lot of activity on the Solana network. This assumption was confirmed by the number of daily active users, which increased by $132. Within the same period, the fees climbed. With respect to the SOL price, the broader market recovery helped it reclaim $58.16 in the last 24 hours. But before the hike, MS2 Capital mentioned that the 57.55 level had been decisive for SOL, and that they will have without the SM decisive for SOL. And according to the Web3 Venture Accelerator, low-frequency trading could spell doom for the token, with a possible drop to $46.48. The handle also mentioned that high-frequency trading could help SOL increase its gains. Solana ecosystem update, SOL/US dollars. And Sol, reclaiming 57.55, heighter of 55 cents. And with signal upside, and 57.55 HTF price becomes LTF resistance, and you could signal downside to previous market and beyond great. And you can find a little bit in a heavy support moving at more. Sol is unable to find a Sol to put into a moving and cross the file. Sol quote 9% YTD device says that everyone is MS2 Capital, November 22nd, 2023, as opposed to HFT. LFT means that few trades are taken over a cycle because traders are opening long-term positions. On the other hand, HFT signals a surge in the number of large transactions executed in seconds. In the end, Sol chose the HFT as the cryptocurrency was characterized by a high order-to-trade ratio. Furthermore, the Sol USD 4-hour chart buying pressure has been dominating the scenes with fast efforts since 22nd November. And also the relative strength index was 54.54. RSI reading above 50 is a sign that SOL's uptrend could continue. However, the potential price increase would depend on increasing buying momentum. And should the RSI reading continue to rise, then Sol may retest $62. So at the time of writing, the Arun up was 85.71%, and then the Arun down was 87 report, 42.86%. This is a sign that a new uptrend could be underway, and if the Arun down falls below 30%, it would confirm that bias. But that would only be the case as long as the Arun up remains above 70%. If that's the case, bulls may find potentially profitable entries around $58 to $60 while targeting a midterm upside. And read Solana's price prediction 2024-2025. Going forward, the Solana price may continue to build up on its recent recovery. Should the buying momentum continue to increase, then SOL's chances of hitting $70 might become more feasible.